welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you all my curly hair nighttime routine. My hair has definitely entered that awkward limb stage, so just throwing on a bonnet does not work anymore for my hair. If I do that, most of the time my hair just get really tangled. So today we got a different method we are going to be doing. With only our fingers, we are going to start by sectioning our hair off. As you all can see, I did have a part, but I wasn't really wearing that part today, but it was there when I did this wash and go. If you haven't seen my wash and go tutorial, I will link that in the cards for you guys. I truly love this wash and go method I've been using. So right off the bat, I am going to be using some ouchless scrunchies, and I am going to be putting my hair in ponytails. Now with these ponytails, I am making sure that I move the scrunchie down the length of my hair as well, and this helps give my hair a shape. This also helps stretch the hair as well without using heat. And as you all can see, the ends of my hair are left out because we don't want to disrupt the curl definition at the ends at all. You do want to make sure that you are being gentle with this process so that you're not causing any frizz or pain when doing this, and your parts do not have to be perfect or straight. And as always, I like to do 3 across the front of my head because I never know what part I want to go for in the morning. Sometimes my hair wants a right part, sometimes it wants a left part, sometimes it wants no part at all. To this lower back section, if you need clips, you can go ahead and clip the rest of the hair out the way, but in the lower back I only go for 2 sections back here. Importantly, you always want to make sure that you put a ponytail in the middle of your head because no one wants that middle part in the center of their head. And I already did 2 sections in the back, which means that I don't have a ponytail in the middle. So I'm going to make sure that I fluff it well so there is not a gap there. And my boyfriend and sister always pick on me because when I do this to my hair, they say I always look like the character on Menace to Society. So yep. So I've been on this journey of not doing too much to my edges every morning. So I like to use a satin scarf to tie around my edges so that they don't frizz up and they're still laid down. And then I like to add my bonnet right on top of it. And now we are ready to go to bed. So it is the very next morning and I am ready to go ahead and style my hair for the day. So I just of course remove the bonnet and remove the scarf. And as you all can see, the ponytails have been flattened to my head, but the curls are definitely still there, as you all will see at the end of the video. And we just are going to start by removing the ponytail holders, and then we're going to fluff each section. But as I begin fluffing each section, I do want you guys to know that I am being very gentle with this process. It doesn't hurt and I'm not causing much frizz at all. If you all saw this in previous clips when I was putting the ponytail holders on, but I had a white piece of lint that was like on one of my scrunchies that it's been in my hair for like all night, and you all will see it fall out later on in the video. ponytail holders have been removed, it is time to shake it out, fluff it out, and there goes the white piece of lint, and figure out exactly how I want to wear my hair. I believe I did go for a side part this day, but sometimes it ends up being just out everywhere. But here's the final look. You guys, I didn't have to do my edges because I tied them up really nicely, and as you all can see, my hair still has a lot of definition. I really hope you all enjoyed the video and found it useful, and as always, I can't wait to see you all in the next one. See ya.